Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In this one we will be discussing about how to add social media links in LinkedIn. So before we start, click the link in the description below to get 50% off the highest rated LinkedIn growth course by LinkedIn's top influencers that will teach you exactly how to grow and monetize your LinkedIn account. Now coming back onto the video, now what you need to do is simply head over to your profile. Once you're there, click on this pencil icon. Now you cannot add any social media links, so it is going to be a workaround. You can scroll a little bit down. You can see we have website and we can simply enter a link in here, or what you can do is simply click on edit contact info, and here once you click on add website, you can enter the website URL and simply decide what is the type, and once they do, you can add in here any type of social media link. So that is going to be displaying on top of your profile in here, and is going to be displaying a link that will be directed towards your social media. I hope this helps, and that is it for this video. Now before we end this video, do not forget to get your 50% discount to start growing your LinkedIn account by clicking the link in the description below. So make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.